Nice doorbell.
Oh no, come back! I hate my doorbell.
Has this ever happened to you? You lost a friend because you got a boring doorbell? Hi, hello, I'm Tina News. Do you enjoy a fancy lifestyle? Then why is your doorbell so vanilla? Come on down to Doorbells and More. Okay, here's what a regular... This isn't going to work because we don't have doorbells.
I'll do it. Want to get doorbells? We can do little props.
We don't have doorbells.
Props around the room.
Ding dong, hello. You got a new doorbell. Yes, that is my voice, but it should not be. This is my dear. At Doorbells and More, we got every kind of doorbells. Happy doorbells. Ding dong, come inside my house. Hello. Funny doorbells. Knock knock, who's there? Doorbell, ding dong. International doorbells. Bonjour, ooh la la, ding dong. I can even do fancy doorbells. Hello, wine and cheese, ding dong. Or doorbells for special occasions. Ding dong, I'm getting married today. Hello. Are you an individual? Guess what? I know. We got a doorbell for every person. Just come up and ask me. Say that. I bet you don't have a doorbell for some of you like cars.
Oh, I don't like cars. I bet you don't have a doorbell for someone who like cars.
Why do you have an accent now?
I don't know, because he'll realize that cars.
Oh my god, did he really just say why do you have an accent? Because